The non-destructive bitmap effects workflow has been streamlined to provide a consistent, hassle-free experience. In CorelDRAW, adding a bitmap effect from the Effects menu now automatically opens the FX tab of the Properties Docker or the Properties Inspector on the Mac. Here you can access all tools and settings for these non-destructive effects for quick real-time adjustments and endless experimenting. In Corel PHOTO-PAINT, the Effects Docker has been reorganized to serve as your one-stop shop for non-destructive effects in both products. You can apply multiple special effects to the same object, toggle individual effects on or off, and reorder effects. With a single click, you can reset an effect or flatten all effects. Let's get creative with some of these fantastic effects. We'll start by duplicating the image. On the Properties Docker, click on FX and choose an effect to apply. In this case, I'm going for the art strokes and the Impressionist brush. Let's apply some transparency.